Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie Merson, and I'm a sixth grade teacher right now in the Central Bucks School District. I'm certified in K through 6 for elementary ed, certified 7 through 9 social studies, and I also have my ESL cert. And right now I'm going back to Millersville for my master's in assessment, curriculum, and teaching with a concentration in STEM education. And I originally got my bachelor's from Millersville University. I graduated in 2010. So I'm happy to be back at Millersville at the grad level. And as for my personal life, here's a picture of my family. My husband Dave, who I met at Millersville when I was going for my bachelor's. And then I have two daughters, Amelia, who is 4 now, and Scarlett, who is 2. Here's a picture of them at last Halloween. And in free time, which there is none of right now, I like to spend time working out, reading, and listening to podcasts. I'm obsessed with a few different ones. So I'm looking forward to learning with you all this summer. All right, bye.